Katrina Kaif broke down. Yes, that day she started crying and she left the press con. Who knows? उसी दिन शायद बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हुआ हो और मीडिया आके पूछे, हे सलमान खान आपसे क्या बहुत प्यार करते हैं, क्या आपका ब्रेकअप हो गया है, क्या आप अभी भी साथ साथ हैं? Whoever the journalist was who was asking Bipasha about John and her breakup now, after all this time, seriously had to be dumb. How are you asking Bipasha about John and her right now after all this time? So poor Bipasha, I mean, I feel bad for her, and if I was her, I would have just told the journalist off, but Bipasha was still being nice to her.
जब सलमान को भाया होगा phrase being human, शायद वो उनकी feelings ही होंगी, because even the toughest of stars feel human, यानी कि हमारे iron and steel stars also have emotional breakdowns in public. ऐसे ही stars के public experience हम discuss करेंगे on page 3. स्टार्स यूं तो होते हैं काफी मंजे हुए कलाकार, लेकिन कभी-कभी ऑफ कैमरा उनसे एक्टिंग नहीं हो पाती और निकाल देते हैं वो अपने दिल का खुमार। दबंग सलमान खान अपने स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डनेस और बिंदास एटीट्यूड के लिए जाने जाते हैं, लेकिन हाल ही में उनकी भी बोलती बंद हो गई। एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में सलमान खान सालों बाद कंपेयरिंग कर रहे थे। खुद सलमान खान ने ये बात बताई कि वो काफी नर्वस महसूस कर रहे थे। उन्होंने ये तक बता दिया कि काफी साल पहले जब उन्होंने अपना पहला स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दिया था, तब भी वो काफी नर्वस थे। सोच समझकर बातें करने वाले सलमान अपने दिल की बात लोगों से छुपा नहीं पाए और किसी आम इंसान की तरह ही अपने जज्बात को बड़ी सादगी से बयान किया। शाहरुख और प्रियंका की क्लोज फ्रेंडशिप से अपेरेंटली गौरी हमेशा से ही नाराज रही हैं। हाल ही जब एक पार्टी में शाहरुख, गौरी और प्रियंका मौजूद थे, तब शायद प्रियंका नोटिस गौरी शोइंग डिसप्लेजर टुवर्ड्स हर। इस बात पर नाराज होकर प्रियंका सपोजिटली पार्टी छोड़कर चली गई और जैसे ही शाहरुख प्रियंका को थोड़ा फ्रेंडली जेस्चर दिखाने गए, शी अपेरेंटली स्नब्ड किंग खान। आम तौर पर पब्लिकली पीस मेंटेन करने वाली स्टार अपने इमोशंस पर कंट्रोल ना कर पाई। इंटरेस्टिंगली अगले ही दिन एक टॉप इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के घर थी एक और पार्टी, जहां पर प्रियंका अपनी मॉम के साथ आई थी। रूमर की माने तो इस पार्टी में शाहरुख अकेले ही आए थे। पार्टी में प्रेजेंट लोगों के मुताबिक शाहरुख और प्रियंका टेरेस के एक कॉर्नर में अकेले में कुछ बात कर रहे थे। बातों बातों में अपेरेंटली शाहरुख प्रियंका से खफा हो गए और वहां से हट गए। एंड पीपल नोटिस दिस। वेल, दिस इज व्हाट यू कॉल लूजिंग कंट्रोल ऑफ योर इमोशंस इन पब्लिक। ऐश्वर्या अपने हस्बैंड अभिषेक और बेटी आराध्या के साथ एक ऑनर रिसीव करने पहुंची। शी वॉज ओवरवेल्म्ड विद द ऑनर और तभी अपनी थैंक्सगिविंग स्पीच के दौरान मदरहुड के उनके जज्बात आंसुओं के थ्रू निकल आए। पब्लिक फोरम पर अपनी खुशी और मां का प्यार खुलकर ऐश ने दिखाया, forgetting about the cameras and her superstar image. कटरीना कैफ भले ही स्क्रीन पर कम ही इमोट करती हो, लेकिन एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उनके इमोशंस नेचुरली बाहर आ गए। जब उनसे सलमान के बारे में एक बार फिर पूछा गया, तो वो जवाब देते देते रो पड़ी। इस सवाल से वो कितनी तंग आ चुकी थी, ये बात बोलकर नहीं बल्कि आंसू बहाकर उन्होंने जता दिया। स्टार्स हुए तो क्या हुआ, दिल तो इनका भी आम इंसानों की तरह ही धड़कता है। कभी खुशी से आंखें छलक जाती है, तो कभी दिल की बात इनकी भी जुबान पर आ ही जाती है। Bollywood seems to have a newfound emotional side to it. But why exactly is that? Let's ask our very own page 3 and Bollywood expert Simi Chandok. Simi, welcome to the show.
Hi, Supreet.
आजकल बॉलीवुड वाले कुछ ज्यादा इमोशनल हो रहे हैं, don't you think?
I think no, Bollywood has always been emotional in public. अगर हम yesteryear stars को भी लेते हैं, तो काफ़ी stories हैं where they have been emotional, whether it's violent or whether it's yes, of course, physical display of emotion कम होता था, लेकिन violent display of emotion हमेशा ही रहा है. And I think one story that Bollywood would like to forget, but there is a reminder that Bollywood has, is Zinat Aman, who was left with that incident where there was a very ugly incident outside a five-star hotel where a Bollywood star was involved. His wife was standing by and watching, and Zinat Aman was attacked physically, violently, and everybody just stood there and watched. and I think that incident has left that mark on her eye. So it's nothing new. It has always happened in Bollywood, and I think stars do lose control over their emotions in public, and they will continue doing so, unfortunately.
लेकिन आजकल तो स्टार्स रोना धोना, रूठना मनाना उस तरह के डिस्प्ले पे आ गए हैं. So what do you think is the reason behind that one now?
I think again that is very natural because they're always being watched, and that's not a very good feeling. जैसे कि कटरीना कैफ का आपने mention किया है that she broke down in public, and constantly वो जब कहीं पे भी कोई भी promotional event में जाते हैं तो मीडिया भी उनसे वही घिसे पिटे सवाल बार-बार पूछता है. Even they must be getting sick and tired of it. And Katrina Kaif broke down. Yes, that day she started crying and she left the press con. And I remember that, you know, she had to go for a book launch the very next day, and she wanted to back out from the book launch. And she requested the publisher that she did not want to come for the book launch, and then he promised her that the media will not ask her any personal questions, especially to the incident where she broke down the previous day, and the media was requested that they would not ask her any questions about why she broke down or wo kyun ro padi thi, and that's exactly what happened. The media did not ask. So they have their weak moments, and there's a lot of pressure. So like I said, क्या पता उस दिन क्या हुआ होगा, who knows, उसी दिन शायद बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हुआ हो और मीडिया आके पूछे, हे सलमान खान आपसे क्या बहुत प्यार करते हैं, क्या आपका ब्रेकअप हो गया है, क्या आप अभी भी साथ साथ हैं. एक थ्रेशोल्ड होता है, एक टॉलरेंस लेवल होता है, and they are human beings after all.
But sometimes it's also because of tears of joy, right?
ये तो जो हमने स्टोरी में इंसिडेंट्स डिस्कस किए हैं, these are not tears of joy. But I definitely appreciate सलमान खान कि उन्होंने जैसे ये इंटरव्यू में जो हमने अभी पढ़ा है recently in the papers, he was so honest to admit that he had the stage fright and he got nervous. It takes a lot to at least admit it.
And coming back to the tears of joy, I was actually hinting at Aishwarya Rai, the motherhood joy.
Yes, you know, if you go onto the internet and you can see this video, and she just doesn't care. She could be a brand ambassador, and she's always been so prim and proper. And there is motherhood beckoning her, and this baby is calling out to her baby Aradhya, and she's like, nothing else exists for her in the world, and she's only looking at her baby, and the baby is, you know, calling out to her, and that's all that exists for her. So the person on the stage, the presenter, is talking to her, and she just doesn't care. That's such a wonderful feeling. I think that's completely her just being a human being.
प्रियंका शाहरुख के बारे में बहुत कुछ कहा जा चुका है, मीडिया में बहुत उनको कवरेज मिल चुकी है, लेकिन आजकल they don't really care. It's out in the open. If they're mad, you'll see it. If they're sad, you'll see it.
I think Supreet, but एक बात यहाँ पे is very noteworthy. The way Priyanka Chopra has conducted herself in the last 1 year, I really respect that girl for it, because it's not been easy for her the last 1 year. Everybody who is somebody has attacked her. Whether it's the media, but of course media is going to do that because media is curious, and why not? Because the readers want to know everything, her fans want to know everything, and well, if she's going to be friends and close to interesting people, we are going to be interested in her. So I do not really blame the media for it, because वो बातें ही इतनी interesting कर रही हैं, and घूमी इतने interesting लोगों के साथ रही हैं, दोस्ती इतनी interesting लोगों के साथ कर रही हैं कि उसमें हम शायद innocent हैं, तो हमारा इतना कसूर नहीं है. So we like to keep tabs on Priyanka Chopra, and why not? But otherwise, all the B-Town wives जो उन्हें attack करती आई हैं, she has been single-handedly fighting them all. And this is without giving any direct interviews or explanations to the media. Do not forget that her dad has been ailing and battling cancer. And she has launched her music career. She's not had any great big hits this year, but in spite of that, she has managed to survive really well. She's looking really good, and under such pressure where your dad is not well, and cancer is not a small disease to fight, she's looking really good. She's managing to stay afloat. She's in the best of company right now, whether it's the Khans or the other heroes. She is really combating all the politics that's coming her way really well. Emotionally, it's not been a great year for her. Sorry, मैं ज्योतिषी जैसे sound कर रही हूँ, right? It's like one of my astrology shows that I do on Zoom sometimes. But she's really conducting herself with complete grace, and I respect that girl for it. And I think we should end this conversation here as far as Priyanka Chopra is concerned.
Go girl, keep at it. इस वीक का हॉट शॉट है वो हेयर स्टाइल जो है आजकल बिल्कुल हॉट एंड इज रियली सिंपल. सो व्हाट सोनाक्षी एंड प्रियंका कैन डू, सो कैन यू. हियर्स हाउ. प्रियंका चोपड़ा, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, कटरीना कैफ और असिन जैसी ग्लैम क्वींस के बाल एक ही स्टाइल में आजकल नजर आ रहे हैं. side swept hair seems to be a hot favorite. ये स्टाइल आज का नहीं बल्कि 1940s में भी काफी पॉपुलर रहा है। हॉलीवुड की ग्लैम डीवर्स भी इसी हेयर स्टाइल में बढ़ा रही हैं अपना फैक्टर और लग रही हैं हॉट। तभी तो ये है पेज 3's odd shot. Simi, who best but you to take us through the odd shot of the week?
Yes, everybody is doing it. Like you said it on the show, Sonakshi, Priyanka Chopra, everybody in Bollywood is doing it. Even somebody like Katrina, who hardly ever experiments with her hair, is actually doing this hair. So here we are. Let's teach our viewers how to look really odd. And this is a great shot at it.
Let's have a look.
तो अभी आपने देखा कि क्या बॉलीवुड स्टार्स तो क्या हॉलीवुड स्टार्स सभी कर रहे हैं ये हमारा ऑड शॉट लुक फ्लॉन्ट। तो आप क्यों पीछे रहें? तो चलिए, वी आर गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू गेट दिस लुक राइट। मेरे साथ हैं हमारे जूम के हेयर एंड मेकअप एक्सपर्ट। मेरे साथ हैं अमित एंड आसिफ। तो चले, वी आर गोइंग टू टीच यू द लुक।
अमित बताएंगे हाउ टू डिवाइड द हेयर इनटू 4 सेक्शंस।
चलिए, तो हम अब करते हैं 4 सेक्शंस।
फिर यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे हम लोग, टोंग्स करेंगे,
बिल्कुल
सॉफ्ट करेंगे पहले।
ये टोंग्स हम खुद भी कर सकते हैं। दिस इज इजी टू डू योरसेल्फ एंड इट्स नॉट एट ऑल डिफिकल्ट एंड यू जस्ट कीप इट फॉर अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स एंड यू आर गुड टू गो। एंड ये आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने खुद किया है, सो इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट एट ऑल।
बिपाशा बासु अपनी बॉडी से ही नहीं बल्कि अपनी एक स्टेटमेंट से भी तहलका मचा सकती हैं। नो वंडर शी इज अ पाव वाव यानी कि पर्सन ऑफ द वीक, जो तहलका मचा देती हैं व्हेन शी डिसाइड्स टू स्पीक। Strong-headed Bipasha Basu has come a very long way. अपनी सेक्सीनेस से बोल्डनेस को एक न्यू डेफिनेशन तो उन्होंने जरूर दिया है। एंड गेस व्हाट, अपनी सक्सेस की कहानी में बिप्स ने जोड़ा है एक जबरदस्त स्टेटमेंट। Recently in an interview, she said that she has achieved her success without the Khans. अब इस बात में तो है दम। बिपाशा की शायद ही कोई फिल्म है जिसमें उन्होंने किसी खान का लिया हो साथ। She has never been directly paired opposite a Khan. फिर भी सक्सेस ने इनका थामे रखा हाथ। जॉन के साथ स्टेडी रिलेशनशिप के बाद जब उनका ब्रेकअप हो गया तो बिपाशा ने इसे भी काफी अच्छे से हैंडल किया, लेकिन मीडिया के बार-बार छेड़े जाने पर बंगाल टाइग्रेस ने खतरनाक जवाब दे दिया। एक इंटरव्यू में उन्होंने सीधा ये कह दिया that I don't even know who John is और कर दी सबकी बोलती बंद। Now that you've told our viewers how to be your glam, let's talk about the person of the week.
Yes, and it's Bipasha Basu, and I think she deserves to be a pow wow.
Yes, a pow wow who is not Khan dependent.
Supreet, actually that's a very interesting statement, don't you think so? Because आज हमारी जितनी भी top heroines हैं, either owes her launch, her career, or her comeback to a Khan, whoever it may be, whether it's an Aamir, whether it's a Shah Rukh, whether it's a Saif, whether it's a Salman, she always owes her career to a Khan. So I never realized that about Bipasha until she said it, and I'm very, very valid point, and it takes guts to even say that. So
True.
I think great going.
And what about the statement she made about John? John who?
You know, Supreet, I really feel bad for both John Abraham and Bipasha Basu. It's been more than a year. The two have broken up. They've both moved on. And I think both have very patiently answered questions about their relationship, about their breakup. And they've been really, really nice to the media and answered everything patiently. And it is their personal relationship eventually. But they have been nice about it. And we should really stop asking them. I haven't, and I have stopped. So, Supreet, whoever the journalist was who was asking Bipasha about John and her breakup now, after all this time, seriously had to be dumb or hadn't done any research or did not have any questions to ask. So I really blame the journalist here. How are you asking Bipasha about John and her right now after all this time? So poor Bipasha, I mean, I feel bad for her, and if I was her, I would have just told the journalist off, but Bipasha was still being nice to her. It's like, you know what? Somebody asking me about a crush I had when I was 16 years old, I would say, huh? What are you talking about? I would do the same. So I don't think she was being mean to John Abraham. It's something that you're digging up from the grave. So I don't think Bipasha was being rude to John Abraham. She was being polite to the journalist.
So very well deserved pow wow tag for our very own Bips.
You bet.
Parties galore and scandal. Jo aapka dil mange more, that's what Page 3 is all about. I'll catch you on the other side of this break. So Simi, let's talk parties now.
Yes, and I think we should start with a beautiful afternoon at the races again. So why don't we take our viewers to a beautiful show hosted by Pradeep Hirani and his fashion house.
With a very beautiful host as well. It was me.
You're so modest, but yes, I agree. You looked really beautiful that day.
Thank you. Watch this one. So what else happened this week then?
And I think you can never go wrong when it comes to art with my favorite art curator, Vikram Sethi. He and industrialist Harsh Goenka always host this beautiful evening at least once a year. And you have the best of artists there, and we shall take our viewers right there. And then I'm going to just show you all the beautiful master strokes there. And wherever Vikram Sethi is standing is all we need to do. We need to focus on our cameras and just follow him around. And the rest is just left for the camera to show it around.
All right, let's get artsy then. Simi, thank you so much again for your views, your inputs, and also how to do things with that lovely hairstyle of yours. You made our viewers a lot more glamorous today.
Well, thank you so much for your kind words.
See you next week.
Sure.
इतनी सारी मजेदार बातों के बीच एक छोटा सा ब्रेक आ भी जाए तो क्या हुआ? आखिर अच्छी चीजों के इंतजार का तो कुछ और ही मजा है. So we'll see you right after this very teeny weeny break. Hugs and kisses, farewells, bidding adieu और अलविदा आपको नहीं कहना पड़ेगा because हम हर हफ्ते वापस आएंगे to entertain you only on Page 3 on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.